It's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker.
What's going down, y'all? Alright, so what's going down, y'all? Look, so I know I've been like gone for a minute, but your girl be getting her life together. But today, sorry, my son. But today, I'm here with Vshow hair. They sent me this wig. It is a 16-inch deep wave. It is so pretty, and it's a 5x5. It's a 5x5. Here she go. So I had already like bleached the knots. Oh, let me take her off here first. I had already bleached the knots. Already did all that. I had to bleach the knots twice. But yes, I bleached the knots. This is what the hair looks like. I just washed it and everything. So, and this isn't gonna be a reinstall because I lost the footage from my first video. So, and it's supposed to be HD lace. So yes. So let's get right into it. I am in my bathroom today, y'all, because I'm not in my other setup, but I am in my bathroom today because I need my mirror like bad for this. Like I need my mirror to like lay this. So I have already went ahead. Don't worry about why I have on two hats, okay? I had already went ahead and sewed down the little like this little piece right here because it's a 5x5 closure. So I already like glued this down and sewed this down, and I just put on another cap so my actual braids in the back won't be like hanging out and shit. Now y'all, the hair is super soft. I love the curl pattern in it. Like when it's dry, the curl pattern in it is like so freaking pretty. So the hair is super soft. When I was washing it, I washed it both times that I washed it. I got no shedding, or barely any shedding, I should say. It was like pretty good. Yeah, it was pretty good. So I don't really have no complaints about the shedding or anything like that. The wig itself, the way that it was constructed was like, it's like really good, to be honest with you. I'm like surprised because usually these wigs nowadays just be, I don't know, but you don't know, it's just really full. This hair is like really full. I don't know what the density is on it, but it will be in the description box below. But yes, I love it. So we're gonna get into the gluing part. So I need to put some foundation, or not foundation, but concealer on this wig. Because as you can see, the lace is like damn near like white. I guess that's HD lace, but it's like damn near white. So I need to put some concealer on here. Right, so now that that's out the way, my foundation, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and clean my forehead with some alcohol, 90% alcohol. Y'all know the routine. I don't know. We'll try to vlog. I'll try to vlog and see if y'all like that or not. Cause girl, I'll be out here. Honestly. But I'll be out here though. But okay, so we have to go ahead and glue this baby down. So the glue that I'm using today is the one that I always use on this channel. I'm using it till I run out because I really want a different one because I really don't like this glue, but whatever. So it is the Vshow waterproof lace glue. So we're gonna use this one, and then we're gonna do three layers. We're gonna do three layers. So okay, y'all. So sorry for the noise because my son is in here, but listen. So we're gonna do fuck, I can't talk. We're gonna do 3 thin layers of glue, y'all. 3 layers of glue. Shit already starting to dry. My ass was taking too long. You don't want to do that. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do what I did. But yes, 3 thin layers of glue. So you're gonna blow dry that until it turns clear. Okay, so I already got my 3rd layer on, so I'm about to go ahead and lay this down, but I'm about to lay it down off the camera because, yeah, it's just harder. It's harder for me to look in my camera and do this, so hold on. Okay, so now that is all laid down and shit. I'm about to start blow drying. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. And obviously you have a line of demarcation. You're not even about to see that shit. So this is what I do. Go ahead, take you some freeze spray. You spray this joint. Spray this baby, all right? And I get an elastic band. This is just the one that I have that I use. I need to get a like an actual elastic band so I can do it better. But anyways, I'll hold it tight as shit. So I'll hold mine tight as fuck. And cause I can't well, I should cut it, but I don't want to cut it. But anyways, so I hold mine tight like this and I blow dry it for about 5 minutes and we'll see what it looks like when I come back. Okay, so y'all see that line isn't there anymore, baby. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. So this is what it's looking like so far. I'm about to do my baby hairs and then we're about to be done. So, this is how I part out my baby hairs, like this. Basically, I just try to make them like as thin as like my actual, baby hair would be. So this is what I do. And then I go ahead and get a razor. And make sure when you're using a razor, because I use my razor to like cut my lace too. Make sure when you're using a razor, it's like a fresh one, so it's like really sharp instead of it being like a dull razor, because you will not get a clean cut with that shit. So go ahead and cut them, and I like to cut them like kind of short, honestly, just like my real baby hairs. Like I don't want them to be too long because they look like too extra instead of looking like natural. So yes, so that's how I do that. Now I'm about to lay these babies down. Okay, so let's see how I want these to be, and I just use my all I do is just use this Cream of Nature foaming style, foaming whatever the fuck, and boom, like this is, woo, bitch, this is cute. This is cute. I feel like the baby hairs is a little like extra though. I'm gonna have to fix those. So I think I got my baby hairs to how I want them to be, you guys. This is bomb. Like, this is cute as hell. This is so cute, y'all. And this hair is just so soft. Like, I love it. Can't anybody tell me shit. Can't anybody tell me shit. But anyways, yes, y'all. So I am done with the hair, and all the specs will be down in the link below. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play around with it a little bit, see like which way I really want it. But yes, everything will be in the description box down below. Thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for my new content, because I got some story times for y'all. Some wild stuff be happening to me, y'all. So I got some juice. I got some tea for y'all, okay? So stay tuned for my content, and thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time.